the debate over vaping taking on new urgency, with 377 confirmed or suspected cases of vaping-related respiratory illnesses reported by state health officials nationwide. 2 people, one in Illinois and another in Oregon, have died.
He's living proof of what it does. The pictures of his lungs, living proof of what vaping does to your lungs.
Polly Hergenrader's 18-year-old son Adam has been in the hospital since Saturday when he was rushed to the ER with chills, shortness of breath, and vomiting. He's now relying on a supplemental breathing mask, steroids, and antibiotics as he battles a lung infection.
I didn't think that little pod could do so much damage on my body.
So these are otherwise young, healthy individuals.
I sat down with Dr. Daniel Croft, part of a team at the University of Rochester that's trying to unravel the mystery of what's making hundreds of otherwise healthy young people so sick.
What's the common problem that you're seeing among patients who vape?
Shortness of breath, cough, and even some GI symptoms, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Sometimes we see blood in the airway, which can be alarming.
Dr. Croft is also seeing some cannabis vaping patients with a unique form of pneumonia called lipoid pneumonia. He suspects the oil in some e-cigarettes may be introducing fat particles into the lungs.
So the lining of your lung could be coated with fat because you vaped?
It could be. That's the concern.
And so basically it's rendered your lungs useless.
Your lungs fail.
So this is being put by user into this system.
His team is trying to figure out just what that oil does inside the body.
So this is what the e-cigarette does to your lung?
Yes.
They are working tirelessly with government agencies to clear the air and the mystery around this surging health emergency.